Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes. Kids, first color name sky blue color, purple color, orange color, yellow color, light pink color, green color, red color, light green color, pink color, brown color. Kids, shapes drawing red color, heart. Heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Kids, sun. Kids, color fill. Heart, blue color. Moon, light pink color. Brown color. Triangle. Yellow color. Hexagon, sky blue color, cloud, red color, sun. Kids, sun. Shapes name repeat kids. Heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you kids.